Hi, today we're going to do an unboxing of iPhone 13 Pro Gold variant. Got some accessories for the phone. That's the phone case, maroon in color, blue colored. We also have some other accessories like the camera lens protector by Lens Shield. We also have tempered glass or the screen protector by Trenzo, one of the good quality screen protectors that we have. Since we don't have headphones anymore with the phone, so that's the lightning port, fast lightning port headphone. Coming back to iPhone, yes, that's the iPhone in a black colored gold embedded Apple logo and the iPhone written on it. It's a 256 GB variant purchased from Dubai, and hence took a little time to get in India. Let's do a quick unboxing of the phone to get a quick feel of it. What I like is, since they have the pull tag and trying to avoid plastic, to Apple has taken a very good step on towards the protection of the ecosystem. It's a thing. Let's quickly open the cover of the box, and there you have the iPhone 13 Pro 256 GB in a gold variant. The gold is very subtle, not very strong or a very dark gold. Let's keep the phone aside. Let's have a quick look what's inside the box. We get some paperwork by Apple, documentation, paperworks by Apple. We got a SIM ejector tool for SIM card provided. It's a stainless steel SIM ejector tool. Some documentation and some paperwork provided by Apple. A single Apple sticker which can be used anywhere. Let's keep the paperwork back in its place. So apart from this, we got a lightning to Type-C cable. No adapter, no power brick in the phone, so that's unfortunate. Alright, getting back the phone, let's peel the first and foremost, the matte texture on the back of the iPhone looks really fabulous. Though the side rims are golden steel, high possibility of stains, fingerprints getting embedded on the phone, so gotta be very careful of it. Let's peel the sticker off the phone, and the feel itself, it's amazing. I like the overall box finish of the phone, going back to the old school iPhone. Let's quickly go ahead and use the protectors on the phone. So we are going to start with the tempered glass for the phone. So this tempered glass is made by Trenzo. It's at the scratch resistance level for this tempered glass is 7, is what I know. Gotta get an envelope, nicely packed tempered glass in a Trenzo envelope. There you go. There you go. Got a rubber casing or the rubber protection at the edges. Nothing else in the box, I guess. There's a pouch. Okay, we'll keep all the unwanted stuff at the side. So what do we have in the pouch? Possibility of a wet cloth, a dry cloth, and maybe a polishing cloth. Yeah, that's the dry polishing cloth. stickers. We have the wet and the dry polishing cloth. So we're gonna get the iPhone nice, and let's go with the wet cloth first to ensure there are no particles, no foreign particles on the phone when we apply the screen protector. So just quickly giving a nice smooth glide on the phone. So for people who would like to use, or one would like to do this task at home on your phone, just follow the steps. We also have the steps written on the phone case or the shield screen protector cover case. So you just have to follow these steps, and quite easy, not so tough. So we have, let's quickly wipe it nice and dry. Once the screen is nice and dry, you can just there we go. Use the dry polishing cloth just to give a quick wipe, and there it is. So we're going to take the screen protector now, peel off the outer sticker, and nice and smooth, just place it on the edge of the iPhone glass, and all you have to do is just leave it, and it settles on its own. That's, you may find some air bubbles left. All you would possibly have to do is just press those edges where there are air bubbles, and it's gonna disappear in no time. I think there was something wrong, but yeah, just had to peel it up again and put it back again, so it was done. That's it. Similarly, we're gonna put the lens protector on the camera lenses to avoid any kind of damage or a scratch on the lens, to ensure everything is in place. So in future, this is very good, guys. If you really it's just not a major investment, it's not so expensive, but if you really want to protect your cameras from, because of the bump that is so huge on the 13 Pro and the regular 13 models, I would really recommend you guys to ensure that you do use a camera protector, a camera lens protector, to avoid scratches, or ever you drop a phone, so avoid that crack on the camera lens. So it's the same process to follow what we did at the time of the screen protector, how we applied, use the wet wipe first, then go with the dry, and then use a polishing cloth. This is a lens protector by Lens Shield, so just going to peel that, and all you have to do is place it on the camera lens as per the instructions. That's about it. I just feel there was some foreign particles on the lens already. I really don't know where did it come from, or maybe just a poor packaging by Lens Shield, to be very honest. They got to do something better about it. So yeah, just had to take off those wet particles with those the particles with the sticky particles with the wet cloth, and just take it off later once again with the dry, before we could apply the lens protector on the cameras of the phone. So we were very good over here to, yeah. So just place it in a right way of the camera lens and the sensors and the flash directions that you have on the lens protector, and you just fix it, and the lens of the iPhone camera, it's covered. Coming back to the case, like we've seen, there are two cases. One is blue, is which we're gonna apply first, or you're gonna use that first to cover the phone, and the other one, it's maroon. I would like to use that later. Please drop in your comments and do state which one would you really prefer, blue or maroon. So let's see how does the phone look in the blue case. There you go. We're gonna quickly start the phone. That's the blue case in hand. The feel, it's amazing. The matte texture, the phone looks really good in blue, in blue case. So we're gonna quickly set up our phone, and to do that I had to take my old iPhone. The battery was completely drained out, so I had to connect it to the power. It really didn't take too much of my time to set up a new iPhone, because the transfer from iPhone to iPhone was just too quick. There you go. You just get a notification on your old device when you get a new device right close to the phone. This is something I'm pretty much done this in the past, because I already used you do the same. It's the same concept when you connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So it is just the way you do it for all the iOS devices, and that's how Apple likes to keep it simple, and it's very, very simple. So here we have our phone done, set up. This is the other color, that's the maroon color, and like I said, do mention in the comment which color do you like the most when it comes to the aesthetics, not the aesthetics but the color feel. The aesthetics of the phone, of the phone case, is really good. It has a good, nice velvet texture inside the phone. The outside of the phone has nice and matte finish. So I'm gonna place this in it. So this is something which was already done. I'm showing this to you. As you can see, the phone is already not in the completely booted stage, as this part I've already checked on this color, but I just wanted to show you guys for the color, which color would really look good for the iPhone, whether it's the maroon or the blue. Personally speaking, I enjoy the maroon color in hand. The feel is very rich. Know that the blue is bad, the blue is also very good, but it's just my personal choice. I love maroon over blue. So friends, do let me know what do you feel about the color or the case of this iPhone. Overall, yes, a good texture, good feel. The phone is aesthetically very nice in hand. The feeling of the phone is good. I'm gonna use it for a couple of weeks and give you my feedback about how do I feel the phone. When the phone was started, the phone gave me an option to update my software. So the phone was on the iOS 15.0, which was then upgraded to 15.1.1. so didn't really take too much of time to upgrade the software. The phone was nice and smooth for the first, as a first time, or the first time use on iPhone 13, the Pro model. It was very nice. There you go. So the details of the iPhone is what you can see. So that was a quick unboxing of iPhone 13 Pro Gold variant, and very soon you will see my next video dropping in for a complete usage or the in-hand experience of iPhone. So till then, friends, if you like the video, do sub to the channel and share the video. Hit on the bell likes to get notified about the future content, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.